Today our topic is users of accounting. What is meant by users of accounting? Users of accounting means those people's organization who seek the accounting information to make their decisions. We can divide these users of accounting into two broad categories. One, external users, and second, internal users. What are the external users? External users are basically those users who are not directly involved in the operation of business are called external user. Now we study one by one these external users. First one is lender or creditors. Lenders or creditors means those institutions or people who supply funds to the organization, to the business. So these lenders and creditors need accounting information, because on the basis of accounting information they take a decision whether to grant a loan or not to grant a loan to this particular organization. Mostly these lenders are banks and other supplier of funds. Second one is potential investor. Potential investors mean those investors who are looking to make an investment in any organization in the form of shares and whatever stockholders. So those who have money and they are looking for an opportunity, they will assess organizations on the basis of accounting information. They will look whether how much is risk in this organization, whether this organization is producing a higher profit, whether this organization is growing rapidly or not. If organization is growing rapidly and it is producing the large profit and there is less risk of loss, definitely they will be convinced to invest in this organization, in this business on the basis of accounting information. And next one is external user, that is regulatory bodies. What are those regulatory bodies? SEC, Security Exchange Commission, and stock exchanges. We, being a commerce student, know that Security Exchange Commission, which registered the companies and organizations, and similarly a stock exchange where the shares of companies are bought and sold. So these companies also need accounting informations, because they list the organizations and delist the organizations. If organizations are not following the SOPs and not meeting the criteria, definitely these regulatory bodies will delist those organizations. So these regulatory bodies also get knowledge or information through accounting. These informations are got through accounting. So Security Exchange Commission and other regulatory bodies will rely on the basis of accounting information. And next one is government. Government means the country where the organization is working makes the policies, plannings, rules and regulations for businesses. So government always assesses the performance of the businesses on the basis of accounting information, and then they make the policies in the parliament as well as in other frameworks. So government also rely on the accounting information. Next one is suppliers. Supplier means those organizations are people who supply the raw material, inventory or other parts to the business. So they are the part of business. Similarly, supplier have to make a credit transaction with the organization. So supplier will not make a credit transaction unless he knows that this organization is stable, this organization is sound. The soundness and the stability of your organization is got through the accounting information. Accounting informations are very important for supplier to make a decision for credit sale. Next one is trading partner. What are trading partners? Trading partners means other partners who are working collaboratively with the business, as like we know Apple company have a collaboration with IBM. Similarly, Cisco. So these both are the trading partners of Apple Incorporation. So whenever they will become a trading partners, before entering into trading agreement, IBM, Cisco will assess whether Apple company is sound, whether it will go for a long way or not. If company is a weaker, definitely they will think again and again whether we have to become a partner of this organization or not. So for a trading partner, it is also important to seek the information through accounting. They will get the information through accounting. And next, tax authorities. Tax authorities are those bodies which collect the tax revenue for the government through companies. So tax authorities also verify the accounts of companies with the returns they have submitted for tax purpose. They can verify those returns with accounting information which has been produced by a specific or particular organization. In this way, tax authorities also rely on accounting information. Accounting information are equally important for these tax authorities. Next one is customers. Customers are those people who buy the goods or commodities of a company for their use. So if someone want to purchase a goods, definitely he will look for information whether this company is strong or not. Let's suppose I want to purchase a Huawei mobile phone that is almost $1,500, and the company provides a guarantee for 2 years. So definitely I will assess the company is sound if I spend $1,500 on a phone and after a couple of weeks or month company liquidated, definitely my price will be lost. The money I have spent will be lost because I have no warranty and guarantee claim where I have to claim warranty. Similarly, those who are commercial customers who purchase the supply regularly, they also assess and seek the accounting information that the company is stable, profitable, it will go for long way or not. Next one is auditor. Auditor means the person who investigate the accounts of company to produce true and fair view of the company, to produce truth of the company, whether the books of accounts are maintained according to international accounting standards or not, whether there was fraud or no. So this will be assessed by the auditor through accounting information. If accounting informations are not available, how will auditor assess those? So it is important to be provision of accounting information for an auditor. Next one is competitor. We know in the market that there are a lot of competitors in each product line. Let's suppose we take the example of smartphone industry. There are many competitors. As you people know, Apple have a Huawei, Samsung, similarly Oppo. These are the competitors. So competitors also gain the information about the company through accounting record. So how much company have earned in this period, how much the company have a growth. So all this could be collected through the accounting data. Next one is researchers. Researchers mean those people who make the statistical analysis of accounting data. Statistical data or statistical analysis of data to check specific effects. Researcher also uses accounting information to predict futures, to predict future outcomes. Definitely, like in these days, there is situation of lockdown. Companies and industries are locked. They are not working. They are in the form of shutdown. So definitely, a researcher will use and collect the accounting information how much this coronavirus has impacted this industry. So they will use the data. So they will assess that data. Next one is analysts and advisors. What are the analysts and advisors? Analysts and advisors provide useful information and advisories to their clients like mutual funds, and other institutions. Whenever any person come in the mutual fund, he want to invest his money, small money, so mutual fund advisor or analyst will advise where you have to invest the money. So this analyst and advisor will get the information through accounting record that which industry is growing rapidly, which industry is not growing rapidly, through verifying, analyzing and reading accounting records of different organizations. Next one is press and journals or journalists. What is the role of press and journalists in seeking accounting information? We know Bloomberg's. Similarly, Financial Times. These are the press. These publish the information of companies. So these will get these information through accounting that which company is performing well, which company is earning higher, which company is suffering a loss. So all these publishers, press, journalists will get, electronic media will get the information from accounting record. Next one is trade unions. As we know, trade union works for the welfare of employees, for the welfare of the workers. So trade union have to seek the accounting information whether the company is in profitability or not, how much company have a funds. So in this way they can claim more revenue, more salaries, more other incentives for their workers. If company is already suffering a loss, how these trade union can claim, how these trade union can fight with the company management for higher revenues, for higher perks, for higher salaries. So trade union also get the accounting information. Next one is general public. General public means the people of particular country where the organization is working. So general public also take interest in taking the information whether the economic conditions are sound or not, how business are performing in their country. So they also get the accounting information, they study the accounting information. And last one is rating agencies. We know rating agencies like Fitch, similarly Moody's and Fitch and other rating agencies also publish their articles, their rating about different sectors, different industries, different companies, about the performance of particular companies, that in future how they will produce the financial performance, how they will earn a profit, how much they are expected to produce a profit. Next we see internal user. What is meant by internal user? Internal users mean those users who are directly involved in the operations of business. They are directly indulged in the operation of business. They are called internal user. Basically we have two types of main internal user. First one is management and second one is employees or workers. So management, as we know, management consists of those people who make the decision making in the organizations. So management wants to know the performance of organization. Management wants to know how they have achieved their goals are not through accounting information. How they have achieved their targets are not. So accounting informations are most important for the management perspective because their performance is dependent on the accounting informations. Accounting informations will disclose the performance of management. So these informations are get through accounting. Next one is employees, workers. Employees and workers are those people who are directly working in the organizations and they want to know about the performance of organization because their job and their incentives are dependent on the success of organization. If organization is successful, if the organization is stable, definitely their job is secure. They will get more incentives. If organization is not doing well,